Hi guys!
I'm going to be unboxing this Fill the Fridge mini brand set. The fridge really lights up. Fridge doors really open. So, that's what it includes. Okay, time to see what's inside. Okay, we've got it. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute, like a real fridge. Lots of packages. Let's take them all out, and then we'll see what's inside. Oops. Okay, we've got our first one. Let's go ahead and open this. Whoa, it looks like we've got the shelves and the trays. Okay, let's see what we got here. First, we got the shelves, and now we got another shelf. We got some trays. Last but not least, a tray. Okay, time to slide this in. I love how this fridge actually looks like so real. It actually looks like a real fridge. I mean, look at all the cute lights and all this stuff on all these trays. Touch this. Boop. 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 Last one. Boop. Nice. Okay, time to put our watermelon magnet, and that's all.